welcome back to the channel. What is it this week? Well, on July the 28th, this happened. On July the 29th, it went back down. That's YouTube for you. But now it's creeped back up and we're up to 1,070 odd subscribers. So thank you very much for all your support. So it's time to give something back and do a competition. So what have we got? We're going to do a first prize and a second prize. I thought let's have two chances for everyone to get something. So let's put the camera down and have a look at the first lot that's on offer. Right, so being a terrain channel, I thought we'd better do some terrain first of all. So we've got some resin cast barrels, cast by myself. These are just battered oil barrels. And after doing the vlog on the Necroplex stuff, I thought let's give everyone a chance to have a play with some of the Necroplex stuff. So what do we have? In here we have, I'll lay these out so you can see them. They're the studs if you want to use them. Up on the table. So we have walkways. So I'm going to put a walkway in. So this is just where the foam core fits in the middle. Please check out the YouTube channel vlog for more information. Got these little studs that can go around the outside if you want to. Depending if you put magnets in or clip them. I'll put a packet of clips in. And we're also chucking a sheet of grating so you can cut this to size to fit in over your foam core. So there's the first pack. Let's just slide that to one side. Try and keep everything together so it makes sense for you. Obviously, if you've got walkways, you're going to need some supports. So I'm going to chuck in some girders to hold up your platforms. A few ladders. There's obviously little bits on here. It's been 3D printed. Find odd little bits that still need cleaning. And a couple of singles. So we'll chuck all them in. Let's move that so you can see it a little bit. There you go. So there's that one. Chuck them in there. Now I'll keep picking the material up. Hey. Right, straighten that out. Make it look nice and pretty. Then we have some blast panels. So these are made up of a base, two pieces that stick together, and then they just slot in. So, oh, where's the camera? There you go. So I've got two of them. Some detail panels. That's your build, so you've got pipes, computer bits, gantry type pieces, more pipes, eagle. Just a nice selection here to hopefully get you started. And the Necroplex logo one, which I think is really cool. So I'll put one of them in. What else do we have? We have a satellite dish. If you check out the vlog, you find I made a base using a piece of plastic, which was a bit that came off a skateboard that holds the wheel so it doesn't spin. So we chuck that one in. And these are little clamps that go along the side of your platforms to put in railings, where you just use a piece of dowel. I'd put in a staircase, so these are detailed each side, they fit like that, clip onto your platform, and your stairs are made up of little tiny squares like that. So foam core, put in your grating and slide them in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that will make the stairs. Again, I'll put a packet of studs in there as well if you want to put the little studs around the outside. That's that one. But, well, you're going to have a bigger platform as well, so I'll put some bits out to make a bigger platform. Dunk. Just get this right. Dunk. So this will just make up a platform of a decent size. probably going to go off camera. I expect it will. And show you, pull this down. So that'll make a nice sized platform. So you can have your platform, your walkway, you've got some ladders and bits to support it and your staircase. Obviously there's enough grate in there to do all the bits, hopefully. Should be at a push, I would have thought. So that goes in there. Finally I thought, right, let's give you some more detail bits. So these are the lights. This looks like a light there. They clip on the side, go over the platforms. And another one, 2 lights, and a couple of little tiny computer consoles that clip on the side as well, just to give you some details. So that's the Necroplex part of the offer. Just give you some bits to get started. Let's put the camera up again for a second. Right, with the Necroplex stuff, I do have a commercial license, so if anyone's interested in Necroplex items being printed, if a lot of people keep asking for the same items, I'll resin cast them. And I've got a rough price list. It depends what people want. Most of the time obviously is the actual print time, not the actual cost of the filament. I thought this is just a nice way for someone who likes quilting, 40k, Necromunda, or anything industrial fantasy, sci-fi style, to actually get started and have a look at their stuff. And you can do it free, which is even better. So what else have we got? Well, as people know, my wife runs the Lucky Orc. If you haven't checked out her Facebook page, please do so. I'll stick a link down in the description. So what we're going to put in the first prize, let's go and get it and have a look. Right, to also go with the first prize is this book. This is fabric covered, stitched spine, fabric inlay, and plenty of paper for your adventuring journal. There's the back, nice little finish ribbon. So one use one. That's the way it's done, so pick what you want to put in there. These are absolutely lovely. I like them. I've got one myself. So that goes in the first prize, but as promised, I said I was going to do a second prize as well. And this is hard because I don't want to give this one away either, because I love this one. Right, this one is another version that the Lucky Orc started to produce. Fabric bound book again. This has got elastic, comes off, which means that the interleaves, when they're used, could be taken out and new paper put in. So throw it there, the way it ties. So it's a nice book, fabric lined inside, beautiful back. It's just a stunning looking book. Any DM would love this as a journal. And the cord goes over to keep it nice and safe. And there you have it. So let's put the camera up and tell you and get your hands on the stuff. Right, so as you can see, there's quite a nice little selection there. Hopefully everybody finds something they like. So how do you enter? Well, first of all, you have to be a subscriber, because this is a thank you to the subscribers. If you're not a subscriber yet, consider hitting the subscribe button, hit that bell. Other thing, please like the video. It all helps with YouTube and its thingamajiggies it does behind the scenes. There you go, technical bit. And stick a comment down below if you want to be entered, and your thoughts on these items, channel. And I will use the comment drawing thingamajiggy. You see, I do technical properly, don't I? And we'll pick 2 winners. I'm probably going to let this run for the month and draw it on the first week of October. I apologise if I mean to do this for a little while, but as a dad of 4 and it being August, you can guess it was a bit of a challenge to get anything done. So thank you very much everyone again for your support. Best of luck to everybody. And one other thing, if you get a chance, please nip over to the Lucky Orc, give the page a like. As I said, it's in the description. And we'll see you all soon. And it'll be back to terrain in September when the kids are at school. Yay! And cheers everyone, have a good week gaming. Bye!